Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Orbit DIY. In today's project, I transformed an old flashlight powered by 3 AAA batteries into a rechargeable flashlight. And I also added a cool twist. I converted it into a Bluetooth speaker using parts from a broken earphone and a couple of small speakers. First, I disassembled the flashlight, removed the original battery holder, and glued the LED board into the shell. To fit the speakers, I sketched their layout on cardboard, transferred it onto the flashlight body, and drilled holes precisely where needed. Since the speakers didn't fit inside the original frame, I decided to increase the body height using a resin extension. I built a mold with cardboard and sealed it carefully. I mixed colored resin and orange tones and poured it in. After 24 hours, the resin set solid. I removed the mold sanded the edges smooth, and prepared the body. Next, I salvaged the Bluetooth board from the old earphone. Using the helping hands for soldering tool I built in a previous video, I held the battery and audio wires left, right, and ground steady while soldering them. I then secured the board back into its own casing and carefully glued it into the flashlight's body. I installed a small switch to turn the amplifier module PAM8403 on or off. This helps me save battery when I don't need the speaker. Then I mounted a TP4056 charging board with a Type-C port, soldered connections for the battery and load outputs, and adhered everything in place. The two speakers were glued behind the LED panel and connected to the amplifier. I tied all grounds together, applied varnish for protection, and tied all VCC wires together too. Finally, I mounted the top enclosure using strong epoxy adhesive. Finally, I charged the flashlight via USB-C until the LED indicator switched from red to blue, meaning the battery was full. Then I paired it with my phone, and voila! A powerful rechargeable flashlight that doubles as a Bluetooth speaker. If you enjoyed this build and want to see more creative DIY projects, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.